Why do some startups struggle to attract clients? The question sounds simple, but the answers are more complex. In this discussion, we'll delve into 5 key reasons why some startups find it challenging to attract clients, and more importantly, how to address these issues. Reason 1: lack of clarity. Startups often struggle to articulate what they do and why it matters. This lack of clarity can confuse potential clients and make it difficult for them to see the value in what the startup offers. To overcome this, startups must work to clearly define their value proposition. What unique benefits do they offer? How do they solve a problem or fill a need? Once they have clear answers to these questions, it becomes easier to communicate this value to potential clients. Reason 2: inadequate market research. Many startups fail to conduct thorough market research before launching their product or service. They may have a great idea, but if there is no demand for it, attracting clients becomes a tough task. The solution? Thorough market research. Understand the needs and wants of your target audience. What problems are they facing? How can your product or service solve them? Reason 3: poor customer service. In the rush to get a product or service to market, some startups overlook the importance of customer service. But remember, a satisfied customer is your best marketing tool. Address this by placing a strong emphasis on customer service. Train your staff, respond promptly to inquiries and complaints, and always strive to exceed customer expectations. Reason 4: lack of a strong online presence. In today's digital world, a strong online presence is crucial. If potential clients can't find you online, you might as well be invisible. To rectify this, startups should invest in a professional website and active social media accounts. Engage with your audience online, share valuable content, and make it easy for them to find and connect with you. Reason 5: ineffective marketing strategies. Some startups struggle with marketing their product or service effectively. They may have a great product, but if they can't get it in front of their target audience, they'll struggle to attract clients. The solution is to develop a robust marketing strategy. Understand your target audience, choose the right marketing channels, and create compelling marketing messages. In summary, startups often struggle to attract clients due to a lack of clarity about their offering, inadequate market research, poor customer service, a weak online presence, and ineffective marketing strategies. However, by addressing these issues, startups can significantly increase their chances of attracting and retaining clients. Remember, clarity is key. Understand your market, prioritize customer service, establish a strong online presence, and develop an effective marketing strategy. Do these, and you'll be well on your way to attracting the clients your startup needs to succeed.